Hello everyone, how are you doing today? This is Christian-Ramos with Realty Texas, and today I'm going to be showing you a new construction model home in Georgetown, Texas, which is about 15 to 20 minutes north of the city on 35. This is a really beautiful area. It's growing very quickly, and here in this Oakmont neighborhood there's only 68 home sites, and they do sell pretty fast, and they're building. There's some homes that are already constructed and some homes that still have time for you to pick out the lot and to build it as you like. The model that we're going to be looking at today is 2,502 square feet, and it can be configured anywhere from 4 to 6 bedrooms. It also has Whirlpool stainless steel appliances, the extended island in the kitchen, and some really nice features and touches throughout the home. If you're interested in seeing more homes in this community or like this in this area, please let me know, like and subscribe, and I'll be happy to show you more videos. Thank you so much. Enjoy.